So in here cleaning up the house, and I look out and I can't really tell you what he's doing. It's pretty cold outside, so let's go find out what he's doing. What are you doing?
Water in my tires?
It's freezing outside.
Not really. I'm just putting some conditioner stuff on the tires so they don't crack, so my tires will grow.
They'll grow?
Yeah.
Sure.
Working on that side. I'm just kidding. I'll just put a conditioner on them.
Okay, perfect.